Alright, fixing to start cleaning it up a little bit. A little 4.5 inch Anvil grinder. I got a wire brush cup on it. And here's a fast strip, or like a stripping disc, what's left of it. I might use that on the top. And I've got a random orbital sander with the pad that's got tore off. I haven't bought another one yet. But I've got some 180 and some 220 grit. I'll sand it with the machine and then hopefully finish it up with sandpaper in one direction. Then I'll probably mask it up and maybe put a satin black paint on it, leave this polished and that, and see what that looks like. But let's get started cleaning. Alright, we got it somewhat polished up enough that we can use it. Horn's polished up pretty good. The face of it is, you can see some of these little pits and stuff in it. Was probably when it was cherry red and flipped around here on the floor trying to get it to where we can quench it, but it looks fine for something to beat the hell out of hot metal on. I'm going to tape it up and probably spray it satin black and just leave this polished and this edge here. Just put a coat of satin black on it. It doesn't ring, still doesn't ring like I would like it to. She's close to being dead, but suit me fine. For as old as it is, I guess it's alright. But I'll take and paint it, and then we'll look at it one more time, and I'll call this job done and over with. Well, here she is, all painted up and ready to go. Got a can of VHT satin black. It's an epoxy paint. That's what I ended up painting it with. Stuff dries usually hard as nails. It still ain't dry, the paint ain't, so it should flatten out a little bit more. Yeah, if nothing else, it'll look pretty. I know these old Anvils can be real hard to find, especially the ones that are in real good, usable shape. This one should have just been scrapped probably. But this is the first project of 2015. I've got it done. I'm going to go in here and throw my clothes away. They're so stinking filthy. But hopefully you enjoyed watching.